Hi everyone, coming at you from the great outdoors. Like I said, we had a huge win this week. We got an NIW, that's a National Interest Waiver, approved for musician, a singer-songwriter specifically. So I figured now is a great time to talk more about the National Interest Waiver and how, specifically how it relates to musicians. My name is Dan Nast. I'm an immigration attorney with Orlando Visa Lawyer, which is an immigration law firm that provides services across the entire United States. And like I said, today I'm here to talk about the National Interest Waiver and specifically how it correlates to those in the music industry. So just to recap, the NIW, the National Interest Waiver, is a great way to obtain a green card, but it comes with its own challenges. One of the ways to achieve a National Interest Waiver is by showing that you have exceptional ability in certain areas. And these areas include the sciences, the arts, and business. So we have the arts. The arts is really where the whole musician thing fits in. Music is an art form. So if you have exceptional ability in a certain art form, there you go. This may be an option. Now, I do want to say that there are some criteria, there's some hurdles the government sets that you need to overcome in order to show that you have this exceptional ability. So it's not necessarily for every artist. It's not necessarily for every musician. What does that mean? Well, there's some things you should look for in your career to see if you possibly meet a National Interest Waiver, if you meet the criteria. These things include earning a high salary in your field. Are you earning more than a typical musician that maybe plays a few gigs every month? Are you getting contracts? Are you performing in, medium to large size venues? Are you performing in, even smaller venues where you make a good amount of money, you draw a big crowd, that kind of thing? How is your following online? Are you generating money? Are you generating money through your music, through music downloads, that kind of thing? Are you making a decent living, a good living as a musician? Another piece of criteria, having membership in professional associations. There's all sorts of, accredited institutions that musicians can be members of. Is the musician, a member of these organizations, of these institutions? Awards and nominations in the industry by your peers. Are these, how are these awards? Are these big time awards, or are these just awards that your friends are passing out in their basement? There's a difference, right? So, if you're getting awards, nominations, you're being recognized in the industry, that's something you can use to that's something that could be used to put towards a National Interest Waiver. And of course, there's, other achievements in the field. There are other things that can help make a case. The benefit of the National Interest Waiver, which I believe I said earlier in the video, is it leads to a green card. So, obviously it leads to that permanent residency, which is pretty much the goal for many who want to come to the United States. But like I said, there are very tough criteria to meet, and you have to evaluate yourself properly to see if the National Interest Waiver suits you, to see if you would qualify for the National Interest Waiver. So if you're a musician or anyone else thinking of applying for the National Interest Waiver, be sure to speak and consult with an immigration attorney first. We can help you with this. We can absolutely help you with this. We already got somebody approved. Call us, email us, contact us through WhatsApp. All the information is on the screen. You can schedule a consultation with us, and we will review your documents and determine whether or not you qualify for a National Interest Waiver. Thanks for watching.